What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? I'm doing really good because today is February 8th. There's zero chance you can see that, but that means February 8th is my birthday today. I turned 17 years old today, which I'm very excited for. Okay, but not only am I turning 17 years old today, I'm also going to be going to the gym. I'm going to be hitting a 405 deadlift, which is another milestone that I've been really wanting for a very long time now, and then I thought it'd be really cool to hit it on my 17th birthday. 10:30 right now. Today's gonna be pretty cool because I invited a bunch of friends, some of my closest gym friends, and then we're all gonna go. We're all gonna have like a little deadlift party. It's gonna be really fun. Right now I'm gonna go pick up my good friend Kev. We're gonna go get some Starbucks black coffee because that's something that I've been trying to get into. And then we're gonna go hit this 405 deadlift. So let's go ahead and go.
Give me a tool. Yeah, I'm bad. Hey, like Costa Rica, swipe a Visa, 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. Drift the beam, bloody sneakers, pack of wood, and my sweat fit billionaire. Costa Rica, swipe a Visa, 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. Drift the beam, bloody sneakers, pack of wood, and my sweat fit billionaire. Now I'm living on my heaven shit. Louis Vuittons on my devil shit. Told her kick rocket, she kicking up pebbles. Bitch slide with a truck cause I stay on my Trevor shit. My bitch, she bad with her booty and freckles. Bitch, we in the foreign, the gas on the pedal shit. Baby, my Simon for her, I go step it shit. There ain't no time cause for you this forever shit. Chopper go fucking on me in the studio. Falling for me, got you moody, dog. Costa Rica, swipe a Visa, 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. Drift the beam, bloody sneakers, pack of wood, and my sweat fit billionaire. Costa Rica, swipe a Visa, 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. Drift the beam, bloody sneakers, pack of wood, and my sweat fit billionaire. Well, you know that it's gold, you know what I'm on. Gucci Ralph Lauren's, I drip a Luton. Louis Vuittons, buy what I want. I'm finna go up and blow up, I'm going. Hey, rip shit like jeans. David got 40 with beaming. This fuck what you mean and this fuck what you heard. I feel like Kobe, I'm splashing with perp. Don't you a bitch when I see you, it's on. They know what's poppin', they know what I'm on. They know what's poppin', I grab for my songs and I rap for my dogs and they know what I'm on. Costa Rica, swipe a Visa, 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. Drift the beam, bloody sneakers, pack of wood, and my sweat fit billionaire. Costa Rica, swipe a Visa, 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. Drift the beam, bloody sneakers, pack of wood, and my sweat fit billionaire.
Alright guys, so we just finished our back workout and I am actually so excited that I hit 405. Like, cause I've been talking about this for a very long time that I wanted to hit a 405 deadlift at 17, on my 17th birthday. A 405 deadlift on my 17th birthday. So I'm really excited to hit that, and since I'm bulking, I thought like a really good post-workout meal would be Popeye's chicken sandwich. So me, Kevin, and Isaac are about to go get that right now. I'm very excited for it. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey, like Costa Rica, swipe a Visa, 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. Drift the beam, bloody sneakers, pack of wood, and my sweat fit billionaire. Costa Rica, swipe a Visa, 17, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. Drift the beam, bloody sneakers, pack of wood, and my sweat fit billionaire. Now I'm living on my heaven shit. Louis Vuittons on my devil shit. Told her kick rocket, she kick